Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a warning video, another one for the Crowdstrike Falcon antivirus fix. I did talk about a lot of scammers trying to send emails to do phishing attempts and trying to also call you up and say that you might be at risk with that problem when it's not true. So lots of scammers out there, but also there's a lot of fake fix downloads. So make sure that if you want to fix the problem or if you need the tools, that you follow reputable, good, well-known websites that recommend things. For example, I got two videos here, one with a Microsoft tech tool that you can download, and that's safe. It's from the Microsoft TechNet. And of course, there's also a manual way of doing it that I've shown on one of my videos. These are safe. Do not download, all sorts of things from the internet. Apparently, a lot of data wipers, a lot of encryption software of all sorts, so that, of course, you'll have ransomware on your PC to try to encrypt all of your data. Then you're stuck with a PC that needs to be either cleaned up, or if you don't have backups, the risk of losing money by giving the hackers, some money to try to get your files back. So be very careful, because apparently there's a ton of tools that are fake, that are online to, with, of course, when you do searches on Google, they're going to say, oh yeah, we've got a tool to fix all of that. Download this. Yeah, but it's a virus or malware. So be very careful and do not download things that you don't know where they come from. The best bet is to look at my video that I posted with Microsoft's own tool. That is safe, and that's a reputable place to download. So be very careful. Lots of fakes out there right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.